Hello everyone, you are watching a complete video series of Unix operating system. This is part 11. I am PN Arya. Unix memory management strategies. First is overlays. The main problem in fixed partitioning is the size of a process has to be limited by the maximum size of the partition, which means a process can never be spanned over another. To solve this problem by overlays technique. Overlaying is a programming method that allow programs to be larger than the main memory. So a larger program divided into small pieces and load as they needed. Unix is using this technique to run a new program by fork, the running process which is also known as fork execution. So this represents the overlays technique, how the overlays perform. So this is the main memory and the total size of main memory is the 150 kilobytes. So out of 150 kilobytes, some space of, used by the symbol table, common routines and overlays driver. And the 90 kilobyte space, this is the overlay area. So the 90 kilobyte space to run the process. So only the 90 kilobyte size process can run in this area. So suppose the process size is the larger or greater than the memory size. So this process can divide it into small pieces. So the 150 kilobyte, because the process size is the 150. So here is the process divided into two parts, 70 kilobyte, and here is the 80 kilobyte. So the process divided into 2 kilobytes and pass the two part, means one part. In the pass one, we pass the process 70 kilobyte to the main memory. So the in the pass one to swap in from disk to the main memory, and the pass one will completed. So the pass one swap out from main memory to the secondary memory and make the space to run the second part of the process. So in the second part of the process, so this is the pass 2. So in the pass 2 to swap in means second from disk to the main memory. So this is the swap in. So this here is the concept follow of the swapping. So in the pass 1 and pass 2, so in the two part the process execution will be completed. So this is the overlay technique. Swapping. Swapping is a memory management technique in which a process can be temporarily swapped from main memory to secondary memory, so that the main memory make space to run for another process. The CPU performance affected by swapping technique, but it help to run many and big size process parallel. The swapping technique is also known as memory compaction. So this represents the swapping concept, how to swapping work or how to swapping functioning. So this is the main memory. So remember one thing, all process will run in the main memory, or main memory also called the primary memory or the physical memory. So in the main memory, this is the swap out. So suppose a process P1 running, or the process P1 execution completed. So the process P1 swap out means the process swap from main memory to the secondary memory or the disk and make the space to run the another process. So the process P1 swap out and the process P2 swap in from disk to the main memory. So this is the one by one processor run or multiple processor run in the main memory by using the swapping concept. Or in the swapping concept, we can also execute a large size of process into different make the different partition of the process single partition. So this is the swapping concept. Memory allocation algorithm in swapping. So first is the first fit algorithm, second is the best fit, and the third is the worst fit. So first is the first fit. So the memory manager scan along the list and allocates the first space to fit the process. It is a fast algorithm because it search at little as possible. Second is best fit. The memory manager scan the whole list and takes the smallest hole that will fit the process. It is slower than first fit because it must search the whole list every time it is called. And in worst fit, the memory manager scan the whole list and takes the larger available hole so that the hole broken will be big enough to be useful. So in the first fit, the in the first fit, the memory size will find out the process size. So when the process size will get and uh, assign the space. So not search the whole space or not scan the whole space, but in best fit, the memory manager scan the whole space of the memory. So it take some more times to find out the best fit or best size of the process. And in worst fit, this is also scan the whole memory size and find out the largest available hole or space for the memory. So these are the memory allocation algorithm using in the swapping. Next is the virtual memory. The Unix operating system allows the user to full utilize the physical memory of the system as well as part of the hard disk called swap space, which have been selected for use by kernel, while the physical memory is insufficient to handle the task. Virtual memory managers will create a virtual address space in secondary memory or hard disk, and it will determine the part of address space to be loaded into physical memory at any given time. The benefit of virtual memory relies on separation of logical and physical memory. So this represents the virtual memory technique and how the virtual memory or how the virtual memory perform. So this is the virtual memory, and virtual memory have the virtual address, and the process divide into different pages. So the large number of process divide into different pages, and this is the memory map. So the memory map or the MMU is the memory management unit. So this map the pages with the physical memory. Physical memory have the physical address or physical memory also called the main memory and the primary memory. So the page swap from virtual memory to the physical memory and the secondary memory. So page transfer from the disk secondary memory uh, through the physical memory and with the help of main memory or memory mapping. So memory mapping will help to map the page, which page will swap out from virtual memory to the secondary memory, and which page will load or swap in from secondary memory to the virtual memory. So the large number of uh, means a large number of process can run with the help of virtual memory, means large size of process can run with the help of virtual memory. And here is the also follow the concept of the swapping, because the multiple pages swap out or swap in the virtual memory concept. If you have any doubt related to this video, so please write your query in the comment box, and also write how was this video. If this video increased your knowledge, so please like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the new video notification. Thank you for watching.